Over the past month, we've seen the crypto market get absolutely destroyed, with a lot of projects down 20, 30, 40, some even upwards of 70 to 90%. And the narrative that is down, arguably the largest, is the Memecoin narrative, with Bonk down 39%, Brett down 37%, Floki down 37%, WIF down 43%, Dogecoin down 24%. Overall, the entire altcoin market dropped over 43% in just 147 days, leading a lot of people to wonder, is this bull run completely over? Are altcoins and even meme coins done forever? Should you get out now, run for the hills, and go back to your job like a normal human being? Or is this just the disbelief correction that is normal every single bull run before we go into hope, optimism, belief, thrill, and the parabolic blow off top for the euphoria gains in the later stage of this bull run? So this is going to be the most important video that you watch all week if you're holding any meme coins. We have to talk about meme coin total trading volume, what the data on Google Trends is currently showing about meme coins, what the sentiment is in the market right now, the reason why tons of people are saying meme coins are done, which projects I think will actually make it this bull run and do very, very well, what we saw in the early stages of the 2021 bull run, specifically for projects like Shiba Inu, the largest meme coin by market cap Dogecoin, major derivative players like Floki, and the confluence between the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. The only meme coin that I am buying right now to add a position to my portfolio for the rest of this bull run, and a massive airdrop that is taking place for a specific meme coin towards the end of this video that you do not want to miss. This is the last chance this week before this airdrop takes place. So if you like making free money, and if you're still bullish on crypto for the rest of this bull run, then comment 777 if you're feeling blessed, if you're feeling bullish. And as always, if you're going to become the first millionaire in your family tree, confirm it by tapping the subscribe button. You guys are going to love this video. Let's run it. Hey bull runners, welcome back to the channel. So before we dive into this video, I want you to note that all of the opinions expressed in this video are purely for informational, educational purposes only, and they do not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice. All investments in the crypto market carries massive risks and potential losses, so you should always do your own research, consult with a licensed financial advisor. We're not licensed financial advisors, and relying on our content for decisions is purely at your own risk. And by watching, you agree that we're not responsible for any losses or damages, and we don't guarantee any specific results or outcomes. And as you know, some of the links in the description below this video, they may be affiliate links and we may earn a commission, which also helps support value-based videos like this. So we appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. And we also hold positions in some of the cryptocurrencies discussed in our videos because we only talk about what we believe in. However, this should not be interpreted as a recommendation for you to do the same. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Now, if we look at the entire crypto market the past month, it looks pretty nasty. This is scaring a lot of people out of the markets, and that's exactly what the elite want. They want to shake you out. However, when you zoom out over the past year, it's absolutely incredible. If you guys have been watching the channel since the bear market bottom, I was screaming at the top of my lungs that I'm investing literally the majority of my net worth. I'm going all in crypto, and I was investing in the top narratives, artificial intelligence, meme coins, XRP, other projects. It's funny how XRP, I make the most content about it, yet it's the one not performing the best, yet other projects that I barely even talk about that I hold in my portfolio are outperforming everything else. And so I do want to expand into other projects and show you guys, what I believe will do well. So this is going to be one of those videos that I know you're going to absolutely love, because meme coins are going to change as we know it. And currently, what happened over the past year when we went from the depression stage where people were thinking that their retirement money is lost, how can we pay for all this new stuff, I'm an idiot, that's when I was investing the majority of my income into the market in depression and anger, and I was dumping all of my cash back into the crypto market. And the disbelief rally, we're still sitting up. I'm by no means complaining right now. Sure, everything's down. If we were to measure from the top of this rally up on March of 2011, we dropped over nearly 43%. So if you invested at the top and you waited for the hope, and you waited for the greed, and you waited for the crypto fear and greed index to be agreed to buy, well, then that's how you get absolutely wrecked. So this channel is designed to help you guys preserve your capital, grow your capital, and not get wrecked. When fear as it is at an all-time high, that's when I buy. Now, that's not financial advice. Again, I'm not telling you guys what to do, as you just heard in that disclaimer, but we're just going to discuss the facts. So I hope that's okay with you. If we look at what happens during the disbelief rally, people think it's going to fail just like the others. People think that it's a sucker's rally. When it pulls back, it shakes out. This is the first major shakeout event that takes place before we go into hope, where people believe a recovery is possible. And that's where we start marching back up to the complacency stage high that we were at during the previous bull market and then bear market. And then we start marching back up to the euphoria stage, because as you guys know, Bitcoin is currently at its all-time high levels, whereas the altcoin market is still off. It's at $900 billion right now. The all-time high for the altcoin market is $1.7 trillion. So just to get back to the all-time high is 88% from where we are right now. And the CEO of Ripple predicted the crypto market to be at $5 trillion by the end of this year. We're at 900 billion for altcoins. So what do you guys think that means? In my opinion, we're going higher before we ever see a major crash. Now, the data shows that people are exiting the markets right now. It's boring. We've been trading sideways, and ultimately we've been in a downtrend for 160 days. So between 5 to 6 months. So during periods like this, it's designed to shake people out of the markets. If we look at the Memecoin total trading volume, as you guys can see, is spiked up here. May 1st of 2023, the weekly volume right here was $2.7 billion. The cumulative volume was $33 billion. And currently right now, we're pretty low. The weekly volume is 171 million. The cumulative volume, though, is actually higher than what it was back in May of 2023. So what's interesting about this is the market cap of the industry in May of 2023 was only $600 billion. Right now, we're $300 billion higher than that, yet the weekly volume is showing that we're down. So what does this mean? Well, it just means there's been a flight to quality, as the majority of meme coins have no utility. Now, I want to share which meme coin I'm bullish on and that I'm adding to my portfolio for the rest of this bull run in this video. But first, let's look at Google Trends right here, because on March 3rd through the 9th, meme coins were at 100 out of 100. And as you can see right here, that's right when the crypto total market cap was rallying upwards of 1.2, nearly $1.3 trillion. At the same time, over the past 12 months, the interest in meme coins was peaking out at 100 out of 100. Now, when we are at 100 in terms of search volume, we can't go any higher than that. When we're at 100, the only place we can go from there is down in terms of search volume. And that's exactly what happened. When the sell-off took place, the interest in meme coins plummeted. And currently right now we're sitting at 37 out of 100. Now, we did see a tick up from August 4th when we were at 18. As you guys can see right here, that's where this massive wick to the downside brought the market to about $700 billion. So we saw a bounce and an extra $200 billion come back into the market. So you can tell that Google Trends is pretty correlated to the total market cap of the altcoin industry. So when we pay attention to Google Trends on the macro, that'll give us a good idea of when is the best time to buy and when is the best time to sell. And we also want to pay attention to the social media sentiment on what most people are saying. And I've seen a lot of posts like this saying meme coins are done, venture capital coins are done, death by 1,000 meme coins, pump fund extracts millions of US dollars to scammers, retail was already here and got scammed, no more new people coming in, it's why memes are done forever. We're going back to a utility season, but this time it will be totally different. And so we saw all sorts of celebrities come out the woodworks, like Caitlyn Jenner launching her own meme coin, down 93%, then blaming it on the developers. We even saw Andrew Tate launch a meme coin called RNT, and it rallied over $100 million and then crashed to just $3 million, down over 90%. So it's very clear that 99% of the meme coins in the market are going to be here today, gone tomorrow. You can make some money in them, but the majority of your money will be lost if you try and sit in them long term. Now, if we look right here on the chart for Shiba Inu, back in 2001, we can see within a matter of a couple days, Shiba Inu went absolutely parabolic and then crashed over 93%. And then shortly after that crash took place, within 36 days, Shiba Inu absolutely erupted and formed a new all-time high, and then crashed another 62% in just 12 days. And then absolutely exploded on out of there to form a new all-time high where billions of dollars flowed into this project and plummeted another 80+% in literally just a week. So if you bought this peak right here on the 20th of April and you put, let's say, $10,000, your $10,000 would have been worth $2,000 by the 27th of April of 2021. And then we saw Shiba Inu absolutely erupt out of those lows to form an even bigger all-time high, and then crash another 84% just 30 days later. So how do you know when a project is done rallying to take profits? How do you know when it's done selling off to buy back in? Because as you can see, the cycle just repeats. After the sell-off takes place, it rallies back up again. Another sell-off takes place, and then we see the rally start again. Now, this recent sell-off that's taking place in the markets, as you can see right here, is 70+% the past 150 days for Shiba Inu. And if we look at Dogecoin right here from July of 2020, it rallying upwards of 0.005, then crashing 53%,
and then erupting on out of there, seeing another crash, then erupting on out of there, and then seeing another crash, then erupting on out of there, and seeing another crash for the ultimate bear market. It's very, very difficult if you don't know what you're doing to time these markets. However, if you know what to look for, which is what I'm going to share with you in this video, then you can get the best possible entry points and the best possible exit points to be able to preserve your capital, make the most amount of money possible, and become a part of the 1% that actually makes money in the crypto market. So if we look at the Dogecoin chart zoomed out, when we went into the bear market for this project and we found a low, we attempted to break out from that low and ultimately got rejected, and we were consolidating within this range for a period of time. Now you guys can see right here, roughly in November, December 2022, a resistance was formed. February of 2023, it retested again in April of 2023, retested again and tried to break out in December of 2023. It didn't happen until February of 2024. When we broke this resistance for the disbelief rally, a pullback was likely. And where did we pull back to? To back test the previous range as support, which we're at right now, sitting roughly at about 10 cents. So in my opinion, this is actually incredibly bullish if we hold this zone right here. Because if we look back from 2019 until 2020, this is very similar to what happened. Dogecoin formed a resistance right here on April 2019, got rejected from it in July of 2019, rejected again in July of 2020, rejected again in November 2020, broke out, back tested it, and then absolutely erupted back to the all-time high. And ultimately, you just see these massive green candles come in right here. When I was showing you Shiba Inu's chart, what happened with Dogecoin, where it would erupt, see a consolidation phase, a 50 to an 80% sell-off, wreck a lot of the new traders that would buy in on these FOMO rallies where greed is at an all-time high. It would shake everyone out 40 to 50%. You can see this massive sell-off right here. Then the newbies would sell right here or right here when everything's boring. Because for 51 days, sitting down 37% in your portfolio not doing anything, they complain, they call it a scam, they sell out. And then sure enough, after that, institutions come in, they pump the markets back up. And then what happens again is a vicious cycle where newbies in the markets repeat the same mistakes again. They buy in right here, they sell right here, they buy in right here, thinking that it's going to go higher when Dogecoin's at 72 cents. And then they hold all the way through the bear market and they're like, yeah, it's going to recover. I'm just going to hold this whole time. I'm not going to get wrecked like I did before. They see their portfolio finally start to break out. And then sure enough, another 40 to 50% crash takes place. And then they end up selling all the way down here. And then we see the same cycle pattern play out all over again for the top projects once the majority of retail is shaken out. Now, one meme coin that I think is going to withstand the test of time that I'm personally adding to my portfolio for the rest of this bull run, which again is not financial advice. It doesn't mean that you guys should. I just want to share my thesis on this and the reason why, but that's Floki. And if we look at Floki compared to the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin, the crypto total market cap is down 43%. Floki, as you can see, topped out right here on the 11th of March, along with the market, saw a sell-off with the rest of the market, a rally back up with the rest of the market. It did form a new high, and then it's seen a pullback right now alongside the rest of the market. So the confluence here is unmatched. It is moving directly with the other large cap projects. And what we look for here on the higher timeframes like the weekly or the monthly is for these indicators to be in oversold conditions or overbought conditions if we want to sell. For example, right now, the D line on the weekly is at 2.9, the K line is at 2.58, and we could potentially see a bullish cross happen here soon while the price is recovering from the low alongside the altcoin market. So this is actually very good news because as you can see on the opposite scale of the spectrum, when we see a bearish cross happen for the stochastic RSI on the weekly, we could see the K line in blue cross below the D line in orange above 80, and sure enough, we saw the price come down. If we look at the stochastic RSI after that bearish cross took place and confirmed below 80, we saw this indicator come down. Very simple. Now that we're below 20, we're at 2.9 for the D line and 2.56 for the K line. I'm buying. Now, could we go further to the downside? Yes, it's definitely possible. However, I don't need to get the best possible entry point and to buy the exact low or to sell the exact high. That's not how the wealthiest traders think or major institutions think. All that I look for is when we're drastically oversold on major indicators or when we're overbought if I'm going to be selling. For example, Floki peaked out right here at $2.8 billion on March 11th of 2024. literally 2 days after Google Trends peaked out for the keyword meme coins at 100 out of 100 in terms of search volume, at the exact same time that we formed a bearish cross on the weekly stochastic RSI above 80, at the exact same time that the price got rejected from 0.00315. So now, just simply based on facts on the weekly RSI, since we're below 20, we're drastically oversold. The RSI is sitting at 46 at levels that we were previously at on the 29th of January of 2024 before we saw this major breakout. The MACD line, however, is still in a downtrend. However, we can see on the histogram that momentum has shifted over a little bit from dark red to pink. And so even if we go further to the downside, the main reason why I'm accumulating more Floki right now, specifically this week, is they're doing a snapshot for a massive airdrop literally tomorrow and also on the 29th. So pay attention to this. This is super important because they just launched their trading bot on Telegram on their mainnet, and they're saying that it's the fastest and the simplest way to buy and manage tokens directly from Telegram without having to deal with slow, decentralized exchanges, transaction confirmation delays, or slippage issues that cost you money. And this could mean the difference between making a mere 1x or a 5x on the same trade, especially if you're on the go on your phone because you can't get on your computer. And so the trading bot is initially launching on the mainnet of the 3 biggest EVM chains. That's the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and the Base Chain. And it's also set to go live on Solana and other top EVM chains soon, which is massive for those of you guys that trade meme coins and other projects on those blockchains. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below this video. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. I'll bring it up on mobile as well too. And you'll simply just scroll down the page. You can do this on your computer or on mobile right now. You'll see a button that says start trading now. So go down in the description below the YouTube video, click that link, and then click the start trading now button. It'll open up in the Telegram app. Now, if you guys don't have Telegram, definitely get Telegram. It is one of the best communication apps alongside WhatsApp for virtually everything business related, crypto related. And plus we have a Telegram group with nearly 12,000 people in that group. I'll leave a link in the description to our Telegram group as well too. But as soon as you click start trading now, it'll load up in Telegram and it'll say, welcome to the Floki trading bot. You've not created any wallets yet. Generate a new wallet by clicking on the generate wallet button below. So you just simply click generate wallet. It'll say new wallet address generated, and then it'll give you your wallet address. You can simply copy that wallet address and you can simply send BNB to your wallet address, and it's going to track it in your actual account on Telegram, which I think is really cool. And then the lower left-hand corner, you can click this little link right here and it'll say start Floki trading bot. It'll say buy token or sell token. And so if I click buy token, it'll tell me to type the contract address to buy the token. So what I'm going to do is go on CoinMarketCap, type in Floki, and on the left-hand side of the screen, you can also see Ethereum. You can see the BNB Smart Chain version as well too. So whether you're doing this on Ethereum or BNB, I'm just going to copy the BNB Smart Chain. I'm going to go in Telegram and I'm going to paste the contract address right here. You're going to see that it's going to load up. It says Floki. The market cap is $1.2 billion. So that's right. It says the LP locked. There's about 425,000 holders. I can view it on Dex Screener or Explorer, and I'll also say my balance. Now this is a demo wallet, so I have 1 BNB right here. And then it'll ask me how many BNB would I like to use to buy Floki, and it'll give me some options like 0.1, 0.5, or other amount. So I'm simply just going to click other amount. I'm going to type in 0.9 because I want to leave some BNB for fees and all that stuff. And it's going to say submitting transaction to the blockchain. It gives me a transaction hash. And then it's going to say purchase successful. I received about 3.9 million Floki. I spent about $484, and I could simply view it on Explorer or return to the main menu, or I can even click view my positions, which is essentially just going to show me what all I hold and the net profit and loss. And then when I entered, when I exited, which I think is really awesome, guys. This is really seamless. As you can see how quick I just got this set up. So again, I'll leave our referral link in the description below. That helps support value-based videos like this. And also you guys can refer your friends too as well. And you can earn 25% of their fees, which is absolutely incredible. The trading volume so far is relatively small. It's $926 million in trading volume. There's 7,555 users. So comment 555 if you guys are using this below. 2,800 trades. And the biggest benefit of using this trading bot right now is you get to unlock exclusive rewards, and you can also participate in the airdrop that is taking place. And you'll get other early bird opportunities and token distributions because thanks to Floki's strong brand and industry influence, they're going to have high profile projects choose to allocate a portion of their token supply exclusively to Floki holders. So case in point right now, what's taking place is they're highlighting a token launch called Simon's Cat. where they're allocating about 1.5% of this project called Simon's Cat to Floki holders for an airdrop that's going to be reserved solely for the trading bot users, and it's just the beginning for what they're planning on doing with this trading bot through Telegram. Some of the key features of the trading bot is super fast token purchases. You guys just saw this took literally a few seconds after you send BNB to your wallet on any device directly from the Telegram app. So if new tokens come out on these chains, you can simply go in there, copy the contract address from CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, and you just simply paste it into the app. And they're gonna have multi-chain support to seamlessly buy tokens across several different blockchains all in one place. So rather than having to go to like Uniswap, Radium, Jupiter, or PancakeSwap, you can just simply do it on your phone on the go, and it literally takes seconds. They also have multi-language support, allowing you to use the bot in your native language, supporting English, simplified Chinese, Turkish, Russian, Indonesian, Spanish, Dutch, and more to come. So this team is absolutely dominating, guys. So when I talk about a shift to utility-based projects, that's what Floki is doing within their ecosystem. So that's why I don't think this project is gonna go away this entire bull run, because it is moving alongside the market cap with the total altcoin industry as well too. So if we don't go up for the whole altcoin market cap, then yeah, this project might not go up. But if the altcoin market cap goes up, because it is added to a lot of these hedge funds and these portfolio capital companies portfolios where they manage money for the wealthy clients, they're diversifying into this project. You can create, export, and delete up to 5 wallets and easily withdraw funds from the bot to third-party wallets. So if you want to withdraw to your centralized exchange or different on-chain wallets, you can do that. And the referral program allows you to refer your friends, earn a commission whenever they trade through the trading bot, and a lot more. So I think that is insane, because a lot of these centralized and decentralized exchanges only reward you with like $25 and that's it. And then if someone's going and trading tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars, then you're completely missing out on that. And as you guys know, referral marketing is the best way to get something to go viral. So watch, this total users is going to absolutely skyrocket over the next week. It's only 7,555, but I'll do an update for you guys in the next week and show you what the trading volume is at, show you what the total users are at, and show you what the total trades are at. Because the main reason why this is going to go up is the airdrop that is taking place. So pay attention to this. This is the most important part of this video. They're announcing their trading competition with their Simon Cat airdrop launch. And so both of these are important to know, because they partnered with Simon's Cat meme to reward users who trade the cat token through the Floki trading bot. So before I get into this, I want to explain what this is, because their Twitter account has 458,000 followers right here. Their posts get massive engagement. If we go on Wikipedia to look up Simon's Cat, it's a British animated web and book series written by Simon Tofield. It features a fat, hungry white cat who uses various tactics to get his owner to feed him. And this was following the success of his first animated films. It was announced back in January of 2009 that Simon's Cat was going to be published in a book format over in the United Kingdom, which released in 26 countries. Since then, 9 more titles have been released. In June of 2012, Walt Disney began releasing specially made shorts of Simon's Cat. So this is a big deal project here, guys. It's not just some like junky meme coin here. This thing has been around for a long period of time. So they have a massive community. And if you don't believe me, go to the YouTube channel right now and just look at this. There's 6.27 million subscribers on this channel. They put out a video 11 days ago, 89,000 views. A video 2 weeks ago, 447,000 views. 3 weeks ago, 235,000, 267,000, 475,000. So every video gets well over 100,000 views. Some of them, like this one, 1.2 million views. This one over 1 million views. This one over 900,000 views. So when this project launches, because it's being incubated by the Floki ecosystem, which is one of the largest market cap meme coins in the world, in the top 10. So with all the eyeballs in the meme coin space that are going to be paying attention to this, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, will support the Simon's Cat airdrop to Floki holders on its platform. And so if we go to the full details for the announcement, I'll leave this link to their blog in the description below as well too, so you guys can read this. But this is all you need to know about the airdrop for Floki holders. They're saying that Simon's Cat allocated 20% of the total cat supply to the Floki community. They're going to be airdropping a total of 315 billion cat tokens to Floki holders who have their tokens on chain. That's a total of about 3.5% of the tokens total supply. And the airdrop will be based on the following criteria. You need to hold at least 400,000 Floki tokens to qualify for the airdrop. Now, that's obviously not the dollar amount. If you take 400,000, multiply that by the current price. At the time that this was written, that was roughly $50 worth in value. So the price is obviously going to vary depending on how many Floki tokens is worth at that point in time, but it's just 400,000 Floki, which is a very low barrier to entry, which is cool. The airdrop is going to be distributed proportionally to a user's on-chain Floki holdings. In other words, while 400,000 Floki is the minimum amount you need to hold. If you hold more Floki, it will result in you getting a higher percentage of the airdrop. So the minimum 400,000, there is no maximum, it sounds like right here, and both Floki holders and stakers that meet the airdrop criteria will get the airdrop. Since the CAT token is exclusive to the BNB chain, the airdrop will be done on the Binance Smart Chain. However, Floki holders on both the BNB and Ethereum chain will receive the airdrop. So if you hold your tokens on the Ethereum chain, you will get the CAT airdrop to your Ethereum wallet, but on the BNB chain, because as you guys know, MetaMask supports the BNB chain, Ethereum chain, and many other chains, and there will be 2 snapshots for the on-chain Floki airdrop. The first will be taken at, it looks like 12 p.m. UTC on August 22nd, while the final, that's literally tomorrow, and the final snapshot will be taken 23:59 UTC on August 29th, 2024. So that's in about 8 days from right now. And the CAT tokens will be distributed based on how many Floki tokens a user holds at the time of the final snapshot on August 29th. So they say that you can transfer or buy new tokens to your wallet after the initial snapshot on August 22nd and before the final snapshot on August 29th, but you do not want to wait until after August 29th, otherwise you miss out. And your airdrop will be based on what you hold when the final snapshot is taken. However, transferring tokens out of your wallet or selling tokens in between the snapshot, example, after August 22nd and before the final snapshot on August 29th, will disqualify you from getting the airdrop. So keep that. That's a super important note, guys. The Floki trading bot airdrop will also take place as well too. So what you need to know for that is their team is allocating a total of about 1.5% of the CAT supply exclusively to users of the Floki trading bot. This will be distributed over a 30-day period with details to be announced in a separate post that we'll cover in a future video. So if you trade the CAT token through the Floki trading bot during this period, you'll be rewarded from the 1.5% supply allocated towards this purpose. And there'll be more details about that in the description below when you click that link. And the CAT airdrop for other centralized exchanges, they're finalizing those details and they're going to be announced as soon as they have confirmations of that. They have the official Simon's CAT token contract address right here through their official blog post. Beware of scammers and fraudsters. There's going to be a lot of fake contract addresses out there. Here's a quick overview of this campaign. In terms of trade points, you earn 1 point for every $1 worth of CAT traded. The referral points, you get 1 point for every $4 worth of CAT traded by your referrals. And so that's what's going to make the trading bot go viral. The decaying point multiplier, as the competition progresses, a decaying point multiplier applies. Day 1 is 1.6x, day 2, 1.5, then it goes down to 1x by day 7. So that's why it's imperative to pay attention so you can benefit early. And here's how you win. The competition rewards those who accumulate the most points. Super simple. Your points on the leaderboard determine your prize, which will be proportional to the points you earn. So the competition structure is divided into 4 rounds, each lasting 7 days. At the end of each round, points will reset and the allocated 1.5% of total CAT supply will be distributed proportionally among the top performers of that round. So round 1 starts August 22nd. It ends on August 29th. Round 2 goes from August 29th to September 5th. And then round 3, September 5th through September 12th. Round 4 goes from September 12th to the 19th of September. So we literally have almost a month. However, from August 22nd, tomorrow, through the 29th, that's when the snapshots will take place. So not only that's why I'm adding more Floki to my portfolio, because airdrops are basically free money if you guys know how to capitalize on them, because with this project right here, having a massive influence on social media, with them just launching their Floki trading bot that you can get started through our referral link below to support the channel and also trade any other tokens you guys want on chain. Super fast, super simple, as you just saw. You can unlock exclusive rewards. They're most likely going to be doing other airdrops in the future. You can start trading in 3 simple steps. You simply transfer crypto into your wallet within the bot. You enter the contract address. You just copy and paste that of the chosen token. So for example, if it's Floki, you just copy the Floki contract address. You tap buy token in the app. You paste the Floki contract address, and then it'll submit the transaction to the blockchain. And then you just watch your portfolio grow. It's really that simple, guys. And so their team did an incredible job on this. I think this is going to revolutionize the trading bot space in Telegram. Also, they're going to have other features coming like Solana, limit orders, TokenFi Launchpad integration, and then sniper mode, which is going to be really cool, that I'm excited for. So you can just simply start trading now. Go through the link below, download the app, test it out. Make sure you guys follow Real Floki Inu on Twitter as well too to stay up to date with this contest, with this airdrop. And as always, for more value-based videos like this, make sure you go to bullrunners.com, click the button on the page, put in your best email address. You'll be instantly subscribed to our daily video newsletter where we give you guys the top projects, the best news, and you'll be able to discover how to earn more crypto rewards in less than 10 minutes per day with the #1 play to earn XRP game as well too. So check it out. I know you're going to love it. I'm going to back up my truck all the way to the bank. I hope you're grabbing the bags, packing them and stacking them, leaving no bags left behind, because we believe the spending power of the dollar is just going to keep going down in value. That's a fact based on inflation. Blockchain technology, distributed ledger technology, cryptocurrencies have been going up in value over the past decade. That's the truth, and we're just getting started for the biggest bull run in history. So in my opinion, there's still time left. So definitely don't wait, because together, you know where we're going. We're going camping on the beaches of the moon. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'll see you on bullrunners.com. As always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.